I didn't buy a car from Carvana to road trip across America. Not yet anyway. I bought it to make business easier for deliveries, for traveling to farmers markets. Watching my new car come down was unforgettable. Here's a quick clip. I needed something I could load up and roll out with. But now I'm building something bigger. I'm looking for brand ambassadors who believe in Miss Mickey's and could help share the flavor while I grow the vision. Because freedom doesn't mean doing it all by yourself. It means building a team you trust. Because real growth, it comes when others carry the flame with you. But some things you can't take with you, no matter how much you love them.